Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. All you need for this project is a pair of old jeans and some sharp fabric scissors. First, let's just unfold the jeans and lay them nice and flat. Then we will trim the jean pant off, which we will use to make the yarn. We will only use the pant legs for the yarn, but you can also use the remainder of the jean for other upcycle projects of all sorts. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more projects to make with the top of the jeans. Now that we have the pant leg, we will cut it into strips. So now we just need to trim each strip and leave a 2-finger gap between the end of the strip and the edge of the pant leg. If you don't like the thickness of the pant hem, you can trim it off, but I actually don't mind it as I use my yarn for macrame and weaving projects and I like its thickness. But if you want your jean yarn to be more consistent in thickness, you can go ahead and trim off and not use the pant hem. As you trim the pant leg into strips, make sure to leave a 2-finger gap between the strip and the edge of the pant. You can also play around with making the strips thinner or thicker, depending on what you would like for your project. Continue with cutting strips in this way all the way down the pant leg. Once you cut the pant leg all the way down into strips, this is how it will look. Now we will make one continuous strand of yarn with this. To do this, first we will cut the first strip horizontally, which will create the beginning of the strand. Then you will see that this edge of the pant is connecting all of the strips. So we will cut a series of diagonal lines from left to right, which will connect the next strip to the previous one. So as you can see, I just cut this diagonal line and it connected these 2 strips. Continue in this way down the entire pant, cutting diagonal lines and connecting all of the strips together. You can also use this method to make yarn out of old leggings and any other pants that you like. So dare to get creative with the garments that you cut, and it's always great to try and reuse all of the fabric from old worn out garments that can't be worn anymore. Mending and crafting with old garments are one of the best and most eco-friendly things you can do, especially as it keeps them out of landfills. I will definitely be sharing more crafts with you very soon on different ways to use your jean yarn, so make sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of future tutorials. Once your jean yarn is nicely cut, all you need to do is simply roll it into a ball, and then now it is ready to use for all of your projects. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more upcycle crafts and DIYs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.